Hello and welcome to Healthy Teaching Kitchen video. My name is Tae Park. I am a dietary intern at the VA Northeast Ohio Healthcare System. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Japanese savory egg custard chawanmushi. Chawanmushi means teacup steam. Unlike many other custards, it is usually eaten as a dish in a meal or served as an appetizer before a main dish. Traditionally, this recipe used some ingredients that are high in sodium and difficult to acquire in the US. Elevated dietary sodium intake increases the risk of high blood pressure. In this recipe, we use lower sodium, easy to find alternative ingredients to reduce the sodium contents of the recipe while maintaining the flavor. This recipe is a simple, easy to prepare dish. We will be using a unique way to cook eggs, and I hope you enjoy. This recipe will serve 2. You will need 3 eggs, 1/3 cup of low sodium vegetable broth, 1 shiitake mushroom, and 2 cooked shrimp. Equipment you need for this recipe are oven or steamer, mesh strainer, measuring cups, small cups or bowl, whisk or fork, knife, and cutting board. First, preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit. If you are using steamer, use medium-low setting. Whisk eggs and vegetable broth in a bowl gently. Try not to froth up the eggs. Strain the mix through mesh strainer. Set it aside. Add sliced shiitake mushroom and shrimp to a small cup or a bowl. Then fill the cups with the egg mixture. Cook it in the oven for 25 minutes. Rest for 5 minutes before serving.